Most people think hollow cheeks require genetics, surgery, or months of effort. They're wrong. Today, you'll discover 3 techniques that create visible results within minutes, not months. The first one is called the 40-second shadow technique. Position yourself under overhead lighting and slightly tilt your chin down while pushing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. This instantly creates shadow beneath your cheekbones. Models have used this positioning trick for decades. When photographed, they appear to have naturally hollow cheeks, but it's all about positioning. Practice this in front of your mirror right now and watch how your cheekbones instantly pop. The second technique is the pressure point method. Place your index fingers on the hollows beneath your cheekbones and apply gentle circular pressure for 30 seconds. Then transition to a sweeping motion toward your ears. This stimulates lymphatic drainage. The third technique is what I call the contraction complex. Suck in your cheeks slightly and say the word fish 10 times while maintaining the contraction. This activates and tones the buccinator muscle. That's the muscle that controls your cheek's appearance. After completing the exercise, your muscle memory maintains some of that contraction naturally. And keep in mind you have to do these techniques for 2 minutes twice daily to make results last longer. Subscribe for more videos.